Good morning, students. Last session we completed section A, third topic, logic gates. And today this session is to clarify the doubts which you had for this chapter, and with the help of this class you can attend class test 3, which is going to be conducted on Thursday. Okay, so by keeping the class test in mind, I am telling you few facts regarding this chapter. So once again, here I have given you the basic gates which we learnt. First one is AND gate. This is the symbol and the expression is A dot B. OR gate, A plus B with the symbol, and NOT gate. So once again I have explained you all those things for the students, those who missed few sessions. See, this is XOR and look at the symbol, and this is NAND gate, complement of AND, and NOR gate, complement of OR. And next, with this basics, now I am going to solve one important problem, because this is a repeated board examination question. They will give you an expression. For example, here I have taken the expression A dash BC plus A dash BC dash plus A B dash C dash plus A B dash C. This is actually the given expression. And in examination, they will ask you to simplify this expression, and after simplification, just draw a logic circuit. So in this way, the questions may be found in board examination. There are two portions covered in this problem solving. One is simplification and another one is drawing logic circuit. So how will you simplify the expression? By applying Boolean laws which we learnt earlier. Okay, here what I have did in the second step, the one which I have written in yellow color, in the first two terms the commonalities were taken out. A dash B is a common terms I have taken out, so that you will have C plus C dash. Similarly, here A B dash is taken out, so C dash plus C is inside the brackets. Second, we learnt a law called complementary law. So what is complementary law? Is stating A plus A dash is equal to 1. So here I am having C plus C dash. So by applying complementary law, you can replace this term by 1. So now C plus C dash will be changed to 1. Here also C plus C dash will change to 1. Now what is the remaining terms available? A dash B plus AB dash. So now the expression is simplified with the help of two different laws. Okay. Now this is the simplified expression, A dash B plus AB dash. Now answer my question. What expression is this? Yes, this is similar to XOR. This is actually the XOR gate. Okay. Now first step is over. Simplification is over. Now the second step is they asked us to draw a logic circuit. Now in the taken question, they given clearly you have to use AND, OR and NOT gate. Yes. So that I am taking to the first form, A dash B plus AB dash. Now tell me how many AND gate and how many OR gates are required. Here there are two product terms, so I need two AND terms and one OR gate. So I need one OR gate. Now look at this picture. So input lines A, B, A dash. So A dash means it should be negated. So I have used one NOT gate, and then similarly for B dash one NOT gate is used. For product terms AND gate is used. For summation OR gate is used. Okay. Next, this is another example. Another way, another solution. That is, if in question paper, if they didn't ask you to use AND and OR gate, what you can do? You can simply use the expression as an XOR, and you directly use the XOR symbol. See? So this is the simplified solution, but based on the question. Read the question, how the question is asked. Based on that question, you please give your answer. Okay. Next, so with this, the problem solving part is over. Next, I am going to give you one tip for board examination. That is, so in section A, we are having three topics: number system, proportional logic, logic gates. You may expect 10 mark question from number system, 15 marks question from proportional logic, 15 marks question from logic gates. Out of these three topics, you have to attempt two questions. So And again, if you are thorough in these three topics, definitely you could score 25 to 30 marks from 25 to 30 marks in board examination. So give importance to these three topics. Only by learning these three topics you could score 30 marks. And for Thursday class test, you are going to take test from this topic, logic gates. So first we learn Boolean algebra with these three operations. Be thorough in all the expression. And then law, you should be very thorough in these laws. Okay. And logic gates, so we learned basic logic gates, derived logic gates, and universal logic gates. So these are all the topics we learned. Solve all the book back exercises and then take the test on Thursday. All the best.